No, no, no.
What is the what?
I don't know why lah. Funny lah. Bắt thằng kia cái là.
Wait. We are going to what? So what do I do? Okay.
I'm going to
Then
Old
kampong
Airport.
around here lah. Okay.
This side.
She said haven't seen before.
我
She said,
唔捌台見啊！我就是真古怪，真係是到去嘅時陣，我有解香港打手。
No tail?
got tail or not?
Yes,
Oh.
How long is the tail?
but this long.
Is it? Oh.
因為台能是台
So
嚟
what
嘅
color?
，a bit brown color 啦。
Just like a monkey?
Oh,
Not a monkey. I
I
don't know.
seem like a monkey. Have
Not
creature
like a
she
monkey.
knows what is a monkey lah.
I know, but some like a monkey. I show in the work.
Because and Mornington lizard is green, okay?
Yeah, green.
Yeah. Did she say brown?
因為台能是台嚟腳生嘅，那台能台，簡單係台了安尼兩個氣勢啊，那個係你是做
Then
呢呢？
how
Then
big?
you come out in the what? Gasoline station, the left side.
Yeah. So mark 大粒啊細粒。
大了，驚死
Then
人
look
啊！
佢條
我台了淡薄氣，
哦，伊開嘴嚇。
安尼
嚇？
安尼嘅咧，
哦。
台嚟腳生嘅啊，
啊來掠你啊！Want to catch you 啊？Yeah, because that day Amma die, okay? And that morning you saw this, want to catch you 啊！After that Amma die.
Because you didn't stay in the house.
Yeah, want to catch you. Where? How to
Go straight.
Go straight.
And you what? Later you turn right.
Turn right, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, want to come and catch you to go with Amma. Because from what she described, it's not. I thought was Mornington lizard. Yesterday we saw a Mornington lizard. So I told her, is it like that? She said far from it. She said it's more like a pig, between a pig and a dog. Here is it? Huh?
You turn later.
Turn right, is it? Okay.
Oh, airport already.
Okay. Yeah, Old Airport.
You park where? Same? You park the other side.
That's why I was
Same.
thinking that's better than trying to park. I don't the other part I don't know how to what. Then after that jialat. That's the word jialat.
Chắc là ở sẽ cái tiếng Trung.
叮當個假啦是明白哦，我就理解。
Okay, whatever. Parallel parking no need to see lah. Don't know how to park. Is it inside here? That day did we go in here, girl?
Yeah.
Huh? I think so.
Later can turn this side. Can you turn this side later? Later. Bye, you go this side. Left side, left.
Jalan Tiga lah. Yeah. Correct. Then how to what? Then just now we go here.
You the one no?
This one ah?
32.
32 ha? Oh, okay. Good lah.
冇巴叮
嚟嘅直落班就識啦。That's what I mean. 哎呀，yeah lah, 32 so good. So many vacancy.
Try to park in the what? Under the tree.
Yeah.
Later so
Alamak, stay here for so long and we don't know how to come here. Aiyo, irritated. Actually can park here also.
later if what? It's not.
Is it rain or what? Eh, 哎呦，我觉得好强。Oh, then this is the wet market lah.
You can park here under the tree.
Is the wet market open? See
I
whether
don't know, maybe close already.
Close already, everywhere close already.
See whether can get something. Cannot. Everywhere close. But if we park here, then if it rain, not so bad lah. Wait. Here can park or not? No parking.
Dito na kami sa coffee shop. Ang lawak ng coffee shop dito. Dami kasi mga Stevie. Punta natin siya putak. Andun o. Iwan ko anong bibili niya. Andun o. Bili tayo ng drinks dito. Ba't malabo to? Parang puso. Punta tayo dito. Hanap ng drinks. Ano yung sigay buang? Ano daw? 7 up. Wala man binigay na pira. Masawa yung nabuang yan. Maya, singiling ko yan. Ah, ito pala yung pupya. Oh. Alay. Bebe, nasi lima. Pupya. Harap yan. Nako. Walang drinks yan kaya yung drinks. May mga bilay. Wala pala yung pupya. Sarap yung pupya eh. Mamaya kainin ko yun. Dinner. Pupya. Dito tayo. Ano ba yun? Yung drinks. Ay. Sabi yung drinks dito. Ay, hindi biyata yan. Bili tayo drinks. Tapos na. Ano yan, tubo? Sugar cane juice. Bitter. Ito, kumakain sa coffee shop. Yan na nila, marami yun. Mga dessert. Sarap niyan, curry puff. Anong kataw-tao? Yung mga model ko, yung dalawa. Dahil yan kumain, no? Sarado na sila dyan, no? Dito na naman. Hanap kami ng supaw. Malayo pa pala. Doon ba sa dulo? Supaw.
Ordinary. And then, you want here or you want? You been give me 5 also. White.
Eh, madali. Tubo na gawang juice. Doon na yung dalawa. Ilang minutes na, brat. Lapit na mag-10. Punta ba daw yung TOC? Ipot ako, hindi pa na busog. Dami nang kinain eh. Sige pa kain. Sarap yan o. Red pink light. Parking lot. Ito, dami din mabili o. Ayan. Dami yung bili dito. TUC na yan dyan. TUC. TUC na yan. TUC. Fair price. Ang ginaw dito. Ang ginaw. Cute. Kita ang niputak ng video ba? Ito mo ganda. Diba? Ganda. Ito pa. Ang ganda. Yan ang ganda. Ito pa. Kami mabili dito. Pira lang ko lang. Ito. Ang dami mabili. Ay, iba-iba na kamatis. Iba-ibang kulay. Mix it.
What is this? What biscuit are these?
Yeah, that one is it. Bye everyone. Thank you so much. Sa inyong lahat yan. Yung mga itlog. Ito na si Buang.